Hassan, Hassan Campbell, what gives you the right to talk on Nature Boy when you haven't even done your research? So you're offending Nature Boy. So you're offending a man that let his son touch his penis after having sex with his baby mom. You're defending a man. You're offending a man that while his baby mom is breastfeeding, Nature Boy's having sex with her. So that's who you're offending now. How about you go lock up the people that molested your son? How about you do that? Before you talk about Nature Boy, how about you go do your research on why we are going after Nature Boy? I left you alone. Now it seems like you want me to get back on you again. I think that's what you want. I think you want that pressure again. I think you want me to start refreshing everybody's memory on how garbage of a liar you are. I think that's what you want. I could handle Nature Boy and Hassan Campbell. I've done it. I could do it again. Do I need to start refreshing everyone's memory? I think I'm going to do that. Since you want to offend Nature McNasty, I think I'm going to have to start on Hassan Lion Campbell. Don't you have a job to do? Don't you have something very important to do? Like go find the people that molested your son? But we all know you know who molested your son. And you have done nothing about it. And you want people to go lock up African Bambaataa. But you still haven't done nothing to the people that molested your son. We do not have Nature Boy by the balls. We're not you. When you got out of jail, you were security for African Bambaataa. While you was in jail, African Bambaataa was paying for your college and your commissary. And we're supposed to believe that African Bambaataa molested you? We all know why you came out. The money dried up. He stopped sending you money. And then you was going to put out a video on him and then you stopped it. And the only reason why you started going to African Bambaataa, because the money dried up. Hassan Campbell, I don't believe you that you were molested. And I think you love having that power over your son because you know the people that molested your son and you haven't done nothing about it. How about you go do your job like an awesome parent would do and go beat up the people that molested your son? How about you do that?